Hello creatives! Today we're diving into the desktop view of Flyingshapes. If you're familiar with Blender, this will be a breeze for you. First, let's activate the edit mode by clicking the icon in the top right. Then, let's get started right away with the navigation. To rotate, simply press the middle mouse button and drag. Want to set a new pivot point? Just double-click the middle mouse button or double-tap the Alt key. Need to pan around? Press Shift and middle mouse button and drag. And for zooming in and out, just use your scroll wheel. To change the focal length, simply press Shift and move your scroll wheel. Switching views is a breeze. Numpad 7 gives you the top view. Numpad 9 rotates every view by 180 degrees. Numpad 3 for the back view, Numpad 1 for the side view, and Numpad 5 toggles between orthographic and perspective views, because sometimes you feel flat, sometimes you don't. Next up, selection. Simply left-click an object to select it. Another left mouse button click replaces your selection with another object or deselects all if nothing's hovered. Holding the left mouse button lets you draw a selection box. Hold Shift and click to add to your selection. Hold Ctrl and click to unselect objects. Pressing the A key selects all objects. Hitting the dot key on the numpad zooms you right to your selected objects and sets the pivot right there. This handy little short key enables you to move through your design faster than a cat chasing a laser pointer. Neat little trick to frame the whole model quickly. Just deselect all by left-clicking into empty space, then press numpad dot, boom, done. Moving stuff around is super simple. Hover or select an object, then press G to move it along the camera plane with your mouse. It works so well you wish you could just press G to move your furniture. Press R and move your mouse to rotate. To scale an object, just hover it, then press the S key and move your mouse to scale it. To duplicate an object, select it, press Ctrl and D, then move your mouse. You can now press the X, Y or Z key to limit the movement to an axis. To place the copied object, simply left-click. Hit the Tab key to show the control points of a selected or hovered object. Then simply hover over a control point and press G to move it. You can limit the movement to an axis by pressing the X, Y or Z key. You want to add a control point to a curve? Just double-click. Done. You can also snap an object to an axis by pressing the little mouse button. The middle mouse button. And if you right-click on a control point, it'll snap to the mirror if it's close enough. To delete an object, be it a curve or a control point, just select it, then press the Delete or the X key to send it right to pixel heaven. To adjust the thickness of a curve, simply press Ctrl and move your scroll wheel. Please don't make it too thick. Curves have feelings too. And that's it! You're now a pro at using Flyingshapes desktop view. So, happy designing and see you next time! Oh, and don't forget to stretch your clicking finger between sessions.